Hello and welcome to today's free trading video and market analysis. I'm your host, Kenny, Senior Research Analyst with the MiniAnalyst.com. First thing we're looking at here is a chart of the market. Wow, look at what a move. Today's Friday, the 5th of June. Just got the employment numbers out today. The market overnight reacted favorably. 354,000 jobs was a lot less corporate jobs cut. Corporate, I should say, on the business sector. However, on the home front, the unemployment rate rose to, I believe, 9.4%, which was still alarming. But what's very interesting is this enormous gap fill. Look at this beautiful trade that we just actually got in our ES Day Trader 1.0. Now, this is one half of our dual day trader ES Day Trader 1.0, putting up banging winners, bang, bang, huge, beautiful winners. No trade was the case yesterday, unfortunately, but actually we did have a trade in the other half of the dual day trader ES, the DDT ES. But look at this beautiful short setup. Short right at 48.75 was the short signal this morning. And right now we're off to a quick 7 points or so. What's interesting is that the map black was generally, our swing positions were generally long overnight, so we were up about $4,000. But actually, as you can see right now, we'll pull up map black. We are short. There you see that ES Day Trader 1.0 trade right there. Boom. Short 99.48.75 right there. That's our strategy runner. And as you can see, we're short there, so making some nice profits, $1,300 on a 4 lot. But as you can see, generally bullish was our exposure. Save the short position right here would be overall bullish, and so we raced our gains there. Very interesting play, but that's why it's so important to be diversified amongst various non-correlated strategies that we offer, and of course swings as well. So that's always good to have. But that's our map black. But just wanted to show you that real quick as it was on the screen. Actually, we can just look at a couple trades. Look at this beautiful winner from our Russell Day Trader 1.0. Again, these are very long going strategies. Russell Day Trader 1.0 is probably our oldest at around 6 years. Just catching beautiful winners right there was the case yesterday. S&P Day Trader 1.0 caught a winner there a little bit, but actually caught a loser there. So that was that, but I did want to show you guys the market. Actually, there was one other thing I thought. We can go ahead and look at the cash market. So we're looking at the cash market here. This is S&P 500 cash market. Is this going to go to 50% bearish or bullish? Is it actually still bearish? Well, we're just bumping up against the 950 level. We mentioned last week that we would need to surmount the 950 level. Did go back to bullish. We went to neutral there. Went back to bullish over 8 on a reclamation of 800. So nice 150 points. Hope you guys are watching your videos, taking our calls, discretionary basis on official market timing bias as bullish around 800. So a nice 150 point moves. But are we still bullish? Yes, actually we are. In fact, we may actually get the mother of all key trend following resistance measures onto the bullish side as well. Definitely want to see this market go higher. Everybody wants to see the market go higher, even traders. But from a momentum perspective, still intermediate term bullish and short term bullish as well. Although the intermediate term has waned a bit considering all this choppiness. Consolidation, we'll call it. From a directional movement perspective, we are still short-term bullish, and intermediate-term bullish is coming back on to the fore as well. So definitely some interesting things picking up here. We definitely do, however, need to get back above this level. So I think it's really going to happen in the short term. We hope it happens in the short term, but if the market suggests otherwise and from a technical formation suggests to the bearish side, then we'll move back to bearish. But we do want to see and expect to see the market as we go into this quarter, as we go into our very favorable June to November, or is it May or June to November trading period. So it should be interesting. Wanted to look briefly at our OEX. We get so many questions about the OEX options. This is more of a complement to our futures, our core futures portfolios. This is our OEX Options Day Trader 1.0. We've had this for about 5 years. Just want to show you a quick look at the trades. Now, this is the official system, but these, of course, aren't the fills. This is simply trading 100 shares of the, actually, I can just show it to you, I guess, of the OEX. Now, of course, options trading will actually be different because, you're trading, you have intrinsic value, you have out of the money, you have premium options. Option fills will vary. But this is kind of an overall look at the actual options system that we've used. As you can see, a lot of green, a lot of new equity highs is the case for yet another one of our venerable systems. And look at those three beautiful winners right there for the OEX Day Trader 1.0. These are some new systems that we have. We'll go into those in a later time. Day Trader 14, 13, 12, and 11. And let's see what we have here. Look at this beautiful trade in our master. Yes, our master lead indicator goes long right around here, 41.25, catches a move almost up to 5. So in a matter of 9:49 Eastern time, about 7 minutes. Nice 4-point pop for our master lead indicator. Nice little thing to look at there. But moving on along. So these are intraday dynamics, and where's the market going to go? Well, this is the first thing we look at. Bullish was the case yesterday. Obviously, you can see accelerating bullishness amidst this indicator. Full quadruple threat bullishness was the case yesterday. So did the market close near the high, or was it expected? Of course. Even got the fall through today. As you can see, some green bars, but look at here. Complete divergence. We're at a new high, and this, our primary indicator, is completely diverging almost to the level of neutrality. So definitely no big surprise that we got this gap fill here from around 52 to 42, which is where we are right now. In the E-mini S&Ps actually have moved to bearish in this indicator. Bearish overall, generally. Has been the case just with this simple gap fill. So it should be interesting. Got some nice big dynamic moves, but where have our portfolios been? Well, are you still missing out? Map Day Trader and Dual Day Trader ES, as we mentioned, have put up an astonishing 70% return in the last 8 days. 61.25% return for the Dual Day Trader ES has been the case. Still putting up incredible numbers, and only expect it to get better as we move into our, I believe last year from March throughout the remainder of the year, we did not have a losing month. To my recollection, we did not have a losing month. We've actually got, as I mentioned, new systems even coming out, so new portfolios. So just getting better and better all the time. If you look over the 61-day performance of these portfolios, an eye-popping return of 116.45% for the MAP DT. Now, of course, this is the original, very aggressive portfolio. And I think the worst-case scenario drawdown, the max DD, is over in excess of 100%. So if you're wanting the most aggressive portfolio, but as you can see, it consistently leads our leaderboard for our primary core portfolios. Now, of course, we have 5 versions of the MAP DT. We've got a new 5 one coming out, but certainly 4 now. MAP DTS versions, which vary slightly. But are you still missing out? Well, if you are waiting to get started, now's a great time. You can save 20%. Just enter promo code video when you go to the website. This is kind of how we've done Thursday. Yesterday, the MAP DT, of course, outperforming, up 12.5%. Kind of a choppy day, but the Dual Day Trader ES put up nice gains on Wednesday, up 9%. Down day, slightly, 2 to 3% on Tuesday. Nice day on Monday. 18% return for the Dual Day Trader ES, a $5,000 portfolio, $900. So just go to the website. If you're interested in these, click on MAP DT or any version. There's a 3.0. Add to cart. And just go ahead and enter promo code video. And you can save $400 right off of that. We will see you next time. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email at admin@MiniAnalyst.com, or go to the website and chat with the support team. And we hope you guys have a great weekend. We'll see you.